fire. Baby on the track, yeah.
Alright guys, I'm here outside of Sabrosa at the Kingston pop-up brunch here in Chinatown, supporting the Jamaicans here doing their thing. So hope you guys come on through and see some of the highlights. I don't know if this is the last of the summer series, but their food is usually good, and you know, Jamaicans cooking, a Jamaican owned establishment. So yeah, remember, black businesses in Japan, please support them. Sabrosa, Yokohama. Let's go get some food. Jamaican authentic breakfast and all everything, the fusion style. Let's go inside the restaurant. Leave with the horse. This paper, oh this paper, puts not fly down for brunch. Pop up in Tokyo for brunch from Hokkaido. Who's not? Such a real rich, call them Panther Blacks. Real rich, cha-ching ching. Cashy. Alright. Mash up the place. Look how good up clean skin friend. Yes, yeah, man. Hello, she's Jamaican, guys. The Jamaicans have all different shades and shapes and features. Yes, she's a queen. Okay. JJ out in these streets here. YOKOHAMA. And then we got the people that flew in for brunch. Flew in from Hokkaido. Flew out for the brunch. They flew out. Flew out. Period. Exclamation. So this is the Kingston pop-up brunch done. With us there, wind down at the Kingston pop-up brunch here in Sabrosa in Yokohama, Chinatown. Jamaicans supporting Jamaicans, that's how we do. You know what I mean? Big up, make sure you come to the next one. Maybe come up in a Christmas or whatever. Christmas pop-up brunchy special. We're looking for people and black people all about this. You know what I say? Boom, bang, boom, bang, bing, bang, bang, boom, boom. When them people, them, oh, just find out if we don't video them. Black women explore.
Yeah.
Because we don't experience. Chuck. We're here with the BRUNCH. Why is the face looking like that? Shauna, please remember follow our thing on Facebook and thing and boom bang bing. How was it today? Was it good?
It was really good.
Wonderful turnout.
Thank you guys for your support always, and see you next month.
When's the next one? October?
I'll keep you posted.
Alright. Yeah man, cool. Peace out. Jamaican owned restaurant, Jamaicans and loudness. Big up to the BBC.